10 minutes. Ready? All right, we are here with Craig Richards, assistant coach out there at Dunbeholden. You had a 4-2 victory today. See some changes in the back line. Odian Samuels also won man of the match for the game. You also missed a penalty where Stephen Barrett could have gotten his hat trick. What are some of the factors that led to this comprehensive victory and performance by Dunbeholden today?
Well, I'm happy that the guys show character today. We came out here today with a victory in mind and we accomplished that. That is very, very important to us. The guys stick to the game plan and having won the game, we are quite pleased.
All right, now you have gone up the table. What does this mean for Dunbeholden? And what is the plan going forward? Do you want to go in the automatic semi-final qualification spots? Top 6 is good enough, or it don't matter wherever you end up, you just want to be in the mix, I think?
Well, we will be taking it game by game. As long as we're in the top 6, we're pleased. It's an opportunity for us to reach the final once we're in the top 6. But we're taking it game by game and see where it leads us.
We also noticed that you made some changes at the top of the field in terms of your attacking options. Malachi Douglas also played well and came in. We didn't see DeAndre Thomas and Peter McGregor in terms of their performance. Like I said, Stephen Barrett had a good game. Are those some of the dynamics you're working on to change what you present in terms of playing style and personnel?
Well, all the players are very important though. So once you're registered with the Dunbeholden club, you get equal opportunity to make the team. So whatever we see during training, that's where we'll make our selection from. So this week was no different. Some of the new persons who came in, they actually showed that they are willing, they are prepared to start and give us a good victory. And we give them the opportunity and we are pleased that they came out here and represented well.
All right, thank you, Coach Richards. All the best for the rest of the season. Hope to see you in the top 6 as usual, battling, and I hope you can go one further this time.
Yeah, that's the plan. Thank you very much. Yes.